Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga ka-istorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy, where we share real stories, honest reflections, and meaningful moments from everyday life. In today's episode, we explore a simple yet powerful choice, one that quietly challenges expectations and redefines confidence at any age. Whether it's wearing a short skirt or a pair of shorts at 50, the message remains the same. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. In a world that often measures beauty by age, these simple choices can speak volumes. They are not acts of defiance nor pleas for attention. Instead, they reflect something far more powerful. They are expressions of confidence, comfort in one's own skin, and the freedom to choose without apology. For decades, society has drawn invisible lines suggesting what is appropriate at certain ages. But those lines begin to fade when a woman decides to dress not for approval but for herself. In that moment, clothing becomes more than fabric. It becomes a statement of self-acceptance. She is not trying to look younger. She is not trying to impress. She is simply honoring how she feels, alive, expressive, and unbound by outdated expectations. Wearing a short skirt or shorts at 50 tells a quiet story. A story of a woman who knows who she is. A woman who embraces her body, her journey, and her individuality. A woman who understands that style does not expire with age. It evolves. Because age does not cancel style. If anything, it refines it, shaping it with experience, confidence, and authenticity. And in the end, what truly matters is simple. If she feels comfortable, if she feels happy, then she's exactly as she should be. As we come to the end of today's story, let this be a gentle reminder. Life does not come with an age limit on confidence, joy, or self-expression. What we wear is just one small reflection of a much deeper truth, that we are free to be ourselves at any stage of life. So, whether it's a short skirt, a pair of shorts, or anything that makes you feel good, wear it with pride, wear it with confidence, and most importantly, wear it for you. Daghang salamat mga ka-istorya for spending your time with me today. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to At Home with Mardy. See you again in our next kwentuhan where every story matters and every voice is heard. Daghang salamat!